What is up, everyone? I'm in my office, aka my truck, aka my lunchroom, aka my nap place, aka my conference room, aka my transportation. As we all know, as business owners, the truck is pretty much the everything space. So, I'm making this video because I want to showcase some of the amazing things about Jobber. I created a temporary account here, or not a temporary, a fake account here, and I want to show you what it looks like when you first open up Jobber, right? And if you guys want to, there's a link below where you can get a 14-day free trial. No credit card needed. They're not going to bill you on day 15 like all these other ridiculous companies do. They try to get you to sign up for a 7-day free trial. Day 8, you're getting billed for a yearly subscription. I hate it. Jobber doesn't do that, which is one of the first things that got me excited about them because it showed that they were at least somewhat honest of a company. So I want to dive into a screenshot or a screen record of Jobber and why I love Jobber. Like I said, I just created a fake account. So when you first open up Jobber, it's just going to give you like the good morning, John, whatever your name is. And you can see here, there's add company info, explore personalized online client portal, get paid with fast invoicing, create winning quotes, create a website for your business. That's just an overview, right? What I love about Jobber, and I don't know if I said this before, Jobber is Apple. All the other CRM softwares are Windows. Now, that doesn't mean Jobber is better than every other CRM software, but what it means is that Jobber has dominated the market with an easy flow to what they're doing, right? I don't want to have to create code, create widgets, create spreadsheets and profiles that I can then connect through backgrounds and HTML links and all that other stuff. I don't want a Windows computer or phone that I need to hack to make what I want. I want an Apple phone. Maybe it has some less features, but it streamlines my business. It does what I need it to do, and all the excess that I don't want to have to deal with is tucked away where I don't have to deal with it. So that's one of the huge things that I love about Jobber, and it's the only CRM software that I've found that has done that good of a job of streamlining the interface to where it's just, whether you're on your laptop, your phone, your iPad, your tablet, whatever it is, it just functions. So first I want to start with going up to the Create tab, right? So at the Create tab at the top, you'll see Client, Request, Quote, Job, and Invoice. I'm just going to run you through those. So if you go to Client, that's where you enter your client information, right? You can go ahead and enter their name, enter their address. What I love about it is once you enter your client's information, it's in there forever. So you can have their email, their address. You can use these things in other aspects of this other aspects of Jobber. New request form, that's if you're with somebody and you want to pull up your tablet or whatever and you want to add their information, take photos there at the bottom. You can do all that stuff through the request form. It's basically like your quote portal, right? You can just enter stuff while you're on the job with people. New quote is the same thing as when you go look at a job. You come back, you add the client's name, you get all the information, you add your line items along the bottom. The cool thing about this is if you do a lot of repeating jobs, under the product and service tab, you can add things like if you do pressure washing, you can have a baseline pressure washing, hey, pressure wash this, this, and this, and then you don't have to fill out your thing every time, right? You can actually just be like, oh, this is the same as this, and it saves a lot of time being able to have pre-saved, jobs or pre-saved tasks that you do. The other thing is the client, the job. The job is just where you schedule it. This is where you put it on the calendar. You figure out the date, you figure out the time. You can add whoever sold it, the salesperson who sold the project. You can also see, if it's a one-off job or if it's a recurring job, you can schedule it for every week, whatever you guys do. And then you can choose your team. So this isn't a fake account, but on my team, I have all my employees. So if it's like, okay, Josh is going to take the south side of town and Nick's going to take the east side of town. If this is a south side job, I'm going to put it under Josh. Josh is going to get scheduled. I'll be able to see Josh's schedule, and I'll be able to figure it out from there. So it's an awesome thing for that. I can add descriptions and explain to my employees exactly what needs to be done. I can add photos so they can see what I'm talking about in the description. This project, this aspect of Jobber alone has saved me oodles and boodles of time, okay? So what's awesome about this is when I go out to bid a job, I'll go out there and I'll take notes as I walk around. I'll take pictures as I walk around. As the client's talking to me, I'll be like, okay, they want this and this and this done, and this and this and this done. I'll take pictures of it, this and this and this done. So when I set up this job under that internal notes, I can put, here's all the notes that I took when I met with the client. Here's what they want done. Here's all the photos of all these spots that I'm talking about. This has saved me from having to go to jobs and start my guys on jobs every single day, right? We've all been, and maybe are still in the point of life where we basically have to go to the job and set everyone up. Now, there's jobs that I have to go to because they're complicated or I need to deliver equipment, whatever it is, where you have to go and show up. But a lot of them, especially in my landscaping side of business, I can just say, hey, here's the lawn, here's what they want done, here's the things that they want you to stay away from, blah, 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 blah. They can show up. I don't have to go there. I don't have to go there again. I get the bid, I send the invoice, and I give all that information to my employees. It has saved me so much time and given me so much time back. It's not even funny. So that is one huge thing. If you got Jobber for nothing else other than being able to write bids and do invoicing and being able to track your employees, you're winning. You're winning. So invoicing is self-explanatory. You can send invoices for projects that you've done. I don't think I need to explain that. It's very simple. So one thing that I want to move down to is marketing, right? So marketing is something that I find to be insane, right? This is one of those things where Jobber is leaps and bounds ahead of its competition. So it has an entire marketing suite, right? And I don't think this comes on a base plan. It comes into a certain plan that it comes with. But I mean, you can do everything. Like I've just started using this where you can do Google campaigns. Like you can see here, Instagram, Facebook, Google, referral. You can see where leads are coming from, and you can throw money at the places where you're seeing a lot of return, and it's all going to track through your Jobber portal, right? And we're moving down to reviews. Same thing through Facebook, YouTube, or Facebook, Google. You can track all your reviews through Jobber. It's bringing everything in your business. Imagine having an assistant that can bring all of your data, right? This is what we hire ad agencies for, to bring all your data, your profit loss statements, how much money you're spending on ads, how many clients are actually signing up with you when you spend money on those ads. This is all being ran through Jobber. And someone asked me on a video before, hey, John, do you have to pay for data storage on Jobber? No, you have access to all this data storage. You just have to purchase the plan that you want at that time. So campaigns, which I have not used on this yet. I've more tracked content that I've put out there, not actually ran ads. But regardless, if you're running ads and you can tie it back to Jobber, game changing. Referrals are amazing. I utilize referrals. This is basically saying, hey, if I do a client's job, I'm like, if you want to refer somebody, let me know their email. If someone signs up, tell them. And you can actually track referrals and give people discounts, give people cash back. It's a great way to make your business seem official. It's also a great way to get people talking about your business. I highly recommend utilizing referrals. It will be a game changer for your small business, I promise you. And then website. I mean, this again, dude, when I talk about Jobber, I get so excited. I geek out about this stuff, guys. Okay? You can build your website through Jobber. Like, this platform saves you so much time and money. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. They have done an amazing job at bringing everything to your fingertips on your tablet, your iPhone, your laptop, whatever else, and having it all tied together. They pulled an Apple. Your phone connects to your laptop, connects to your iPad. All the calendars are synced. That's what Jobber's done, but Jobber obviously can be used on Windows and all those other things. So Jobber is like that tether that ties all of your software, all of your employees, all of your staff together. It's just epic, dude. It's just epic. I know I'm geeking out on this, but it's just epic. You can build your website through Jobber, is basically what I'm getting at. And then reports is kind of the last thing. Reports is where all the nitty gritty stuff is, right? Reports is where you have the project income or the projected income, transaction list, invoice, taxation, aged receivables, bad debt, client balance summary, right? You can go on to visits, one-off jobs, reoccurring jobs. You can figure out what you're doing. Are you a reoccurring job? Are you making more money on reoccurring jobs, or are you making money on one-off jobs? I actually found out that I make more money off one-off jobs on my landscaping company. I would have assumed my reoccurring jobs would have made more money, but I realized that my one-off jobs, due to going to this Jobber portal and looking at my reoccurring jobs, they were exponentially higher because my reoccurring jobs were anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 a pop, whereas my reoccurring jobs were $300-$400. Some of them were $80, $90, small stuff here and there. But over the course of 4 or 5 months, I was like, okay, we're making a solid amount of money more on one-off jobs than we are on reoccurring jobs. So we leaned a little more heavy to one-off jobs and how we could market towards that and create content for it towards that. And that was all derived from the information that Jobber gives you on these reports. Now, what I love about them putting these reports kind of on the back end, in the corner kind of, is that these aren't things you need access to daily. You don't want to muddy up your daily workflow. You can see off to the side you have create, home, schedule, client, request, quotes, jobs, invoices, marketing, and that's the main day-to-day portal. But when you need to dive deeper and you need to start filing taxes, you need to do these other things, you can hit that reports tab, and that opens up the nitty-gritty. That gets you into the juice of things, right? Two more things that I want to add with you guys. One, your employees can track their time. So when your employees clock in, like I usually sign up, I give them all their jobs for the week, right? And they'll get the email saying, here's your jobs for the week. They will clock in and clock out of their app. I pay for drive time personally. So basically, as soon as you get in your car to leave your house, I see them clock in. They have drive time. Once they get and they pick up the equipment, then boom, they're clocking in on the job that they're going to. Once they leave that job, they're going to clock in. Like once they get in their truck after finishing that job, they clock in for the next job. So all of that stuff shows me where they're at, how much time they're spending on each job, and that's all done through Jobber. It's crazy. And then the last thing that a lot of people ask me is, what are some apps and plugins that I can use with Jobber? Basically all of them. You can see here that, there's a plethora of apps that you can plug into it. QuickBooks is one that I have plugged in mainly because I file my taxes through them. So all the information on Jobber, all I do is boop, it transfers over to QuickBooks, and I do boop, and I file my taxes. Very simple, very easy. But you can, I know a lot of people that use Company Cam. You can incorporate Company Cam, Gusto, DocuSign, all those things with Jobber. Jobber is what's next. If you are a business and you aren't using Jobber, you are wasting money and you are wasting time with all this information that you're having to learn and dissect and ask experts to help you figure out. Jobber, I figured out on my own. I've watched YouTube videos like this to learn how to do things. And this has saved me and made me more money than I've ever done in my businesses before. As a matter of fact, I am going on tour this year across the country. The reason I'm able to do that is because I've been able to put an infrastructure in place for the first time. For the first time in like 10 years, I've been able to put an infrastructure in place to where I can manage my jobs remotely. I have a site lead that can keep me updated on on-site problems and issues and goings-ons, but I can still look at my tablet or my phone wherever I'm at and see where my guys are at the jobs, see what progress is getting done, look at photo updates, look at all of that stuff. It's freaking amazing. Definitely at least go down to the link below, click on the Jobber link, and get yourself a free 14-day trial. Just click around on it for 14 days. And if you hate it, come back and tell me you hated the video. If you loved it, come back and tell me you loved the Jobber software. And if you already use it, let me know. If you don't use it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. I want to know give me the feedback. Give me the feedback. I appreciate y'all. Stay motivated, stay blessed, stay excited. Get done what you got to get done. Go make that money. Life is what you make it. You can't complain that you're not getting fed when you don't get up off the couch. I appreciate y'all. Much love.